this year asofo nanim guasen eye back to back so refi ameka wene so be kai ya last year me come so 4 times on the show say erade say osofo bi odi aduro ye na adwuma osofo bi a wate bibi asra osofo bi a odi efunu nso ye adwuma osofo bi a odi bibi asra no altar se na odi alpha ni omega Kristo din and ya to asori dan so you be disgrace eye front and back a copy December na ebe ya ama honorable Kennedy Japan asa ye sa the program ni biu eno kwa de be chen first no osofo bi a odi aduro di juju na ye adwuma 2024 eye back to back is either you be disgraced, you be jailed, or be shoot.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over.
For sale.
Mewasem Debbie Demao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Freying. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
Ebushia Reverend Obofo ese sofo bi ni omaimu. Na enkofo mo fra mo asofo nyina ejumayefo akronfo azanfo na amafo bisa se Reverend Obofo onso we den we osofo ana onso we akronfo mesaka Prophet Bernard Esiam Wahanuma yebe dig deeper akosa message Reverend Obofo e dey abeto abonti nti haye too much subscribe my page we na mi adoma na so na me upload bia so na onsa ebetumi aka Odifo
Too much.
Am I call about too much?
You so.
Number 2 point.
You more than say Bible.
Yeah, Reverend Obofo about. Na the way Obofo ni abrea or dey sem na me dey.
Ono ana say too much.
We see our betwa.
Ono ana say.
Yeah, Reverend Obofo chese sofo bi ni Ghana. And I'm of with say it no kasa no koye dey. San sem ye course ni secret or dey ba bontin. Who ni say?
Too much me da wana say ma me chia motif we chichiri ene benche. Me me dey too much dey me hu dey say ye wo bonsam asofo e dey onyankopon asofo. Oye den say o join fraternity ana say o sumu a oye den Ewurade be ma ne han na to so. E na hu say untimi e na ada nyame ma nkosi. Untimi nsisi e Kristo ne ma nkonkosi because Ewurade amaya te say oye jataburu a na jataburu ama no ntime nyo omowe ena ma menken kan scriptures na eya na obi ba abonti no beka saa nsamfo ne saa nkwase asem se ya obi a ye badwene ba na wonyansa ekwa akiri bia no uhunas as or say ono ane ho
Samu
yeah or say ono ane tuma 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse 1 to 7 etivia sam osi esu a efata Kristo fo asofo esu a efata Kristo enza se asu ni se minim dia menye nyame sofo me ye bonsam sofo enti two legends is either you belong to Lucifer or you belong to Christ enti ne wo enye esu ni ban ne ba to atiase o se no kwasem ni se obi pe ohefo adwuma wa pa adwuma pa nanso de se ohefo ni se wonya ne ho asem nka oyere ba akukunu na ni suda ho na adwene mote onya ne ho we se ope aho ye onimu nkyerɛkyerɛ 3 onye sadua onye pupo making kaiba nemum odwo onye atutu pe onye sika debre number 4 odi onwara ni fiesu ye ma ne ma ehye nase ewo animonyam nyina adrum 5 osi na obi ahunu ni fiesu di a ebeye den no be nyankopon asafo so verse 6 osi onya befo no wanran anhwe obunsam atemum verse 7 e wona mekra ewo osi nanso esese wona wotete ne ho ne eboni dimpa na wanhwe ahohora ene obunsam afidi so mo tete ho no ebo dimpa na wa hran anhwe obunsam atemu unsa too much behwa Erade ka say obi o man ho nsu bi Erade bebere wase ena Malachi chapter 2 verse number 7 eba osofo bi agine Erade anim se ne bofo na osofo de wano wei ekrama nimdie ni nyansa ani hunumu na ye hunu nkwase asam ne nsamfu emfiri nya no sofo alum so ti ase enti se papa e ba abonte no be ka se ebia no no oye so ti ase ebia no oye ena ebia obeni masofo bi o mo nso mo ye saa me pa to ase aha nti obeni masofo bi o mo nso mo ye saa ne ye you say a stubborn fly follows the corpse into the grave. And I say susuam pa say nyame asori kan a ebeya den because too much oko Pentecost mu a ye wanted here scriptures are making kan ye bebo clerical ye di kan ka kire wo oko Assemblies of God are the same thing oko Methodist are the same thing oko Pentecost the same thing oba CAC and kwa de kon the same thing. And you cannot misbehave as a man of God now on sanso entina asori ya no won be you ntem. It is also for Pomba Bonte because and send me say ya. Sometimes no wow question and answer no asem to check.
Odifo, on say with regards to Niawo Kenya, I said they would defend say asofo.
Oh, you are real me real asofo.
But say Reverend Obofo e ka say obi anye sofo no. Na born in saying.
Oh, obi anye sofo, obi wa ye mfre no. Obi wa wakwa akoti aduro, wakota fre moto. Asofo bi kwa ne kraman na eda. Ye wo sofo bi okumase a oba na no premre na tinteso egu na ni so keke e na odi se nkomodi hu amanfo nsem but e wodo a too much e beba e ti se nyame amfro na because of animonyam wa wa asofodiem animonyam a ewo adifunumam animonyam a ewo apostles any reverend adumam na obejiji wa no baba during the test of time utimi gina the test of time one then you be qualified to call yourself as a man of God. Because
Avram Ekasimbi Enra, say the whole Ghana, you find Kremofo and a Christopher in Shian, near debate on this thing, say, Obi and Yosofo. Oh, maybe dear, too much Ayana Bible same pass your fortune, dear, the Okoba, when you say, and Joko Dinako Baba, when my young abbey defended Christ. What somehow say, Kona Koi Dipa, Kona Koka Nasem, not your was in Tie Nasem, over near so. And you will penny away Jimmy to the nonsense point. Job chapter 32, verse number 9 to 10. Or say you be a little one food to be anonym yansa. So you can be a man of God and I say a leader, but no one can in your papa. And will be able to me for Bible. And it doesn't qualify you as Wako Bible school. No Bible general say be a software. And then it's just a software. Obi akwako boni PhD masters you bet me a doctor but practice when you man na obey no and the church PhD na ko boy no eduni but Odifo say asofo ho pa suben ni sai ni mo ye we ni we akoda we bo we po no ye ton be Yesu moja ye ton powder that's it kuto ye say so for Jana yere so for kontokwa so for yesi that's it on say sai nyema ne mankofo ejitum say sa na munye asofo ampa yeah because esuni ban and not too much radia kasa kire say esuni ban no edify you as a man of God nyame sofo bia ma megina social media enu ne sunyanko sofo me toto ayampia nkwase asem ne nsemfo me kekan nsem asebe akola yawo ne kura mpon kan kire nipa. Oh, and but as a leader, as a man of God that you call yourself, Canada, no, me didn't say what time now, because if we ask me by the we ask Yantum, it's more me quite me chile jamu ma palm for church man a yakesino, Mumon move fully around the system. So I say, in general, pie to tell me who Yamia soft when a bone summer soft. And I remember the day I can say too much. I want to worry about. Last year, so if you are a kind office, may catch it too much. Say this year, I saw for the name was a back to back. So if you are a kind, so last year, me come almost 4 times on the show. Say a rather say, or so for be a dear growing Juma, or so for be a what be asa, or so for be a dear fun so Juma, or so for be a be a sen or tasse. Now or the Alpha and Omega Christo D and you have to assert dinosaur. You be disgraced and your front and back. I'll copy him December. Now a Bayama honorable Kennedy Japan. As I yes, I the program with you and quite a better first. That was what Jesus Christ a kind. Now no one never me. And you have too much missions on the DNA and come to Mamia. Me ban my 12. That says Alpha. Or so for be out there, go to junior year to man. 2024, a back to back. It's either you be disgraced, you be jailed, or you be shoot. Yeah. So the group pana
wodi afunu nso di nipa akwa ma ya tete o ba bia eye ba eye kong 2025 akopem 2038 eye dreaded anim guase we kwa dey saw too much we esa me say the ban what dey check most of your interviews on this bigger platform me cancer
say Reverend Obofo nsema okin on hwe ase ni sika ba na eba ejuma bia na obie so o preach fine say utie Obofo preaching awode ba o say common sense pa preach wisdom and so no by the depth of wisdom o preach na so ba out be ka say so for be anyone ma o say bibi na wotumi hu afi na oka
me too much say eya na me ka say e wodo wo beba as a man of God dey na wo they are most. That was last week Wednesday. Ghana Christian Council, almost friend.
Okay.
Yeah, that was Papa be a friend of Mr. Amu. Also here Juma Wana. He was watching too much with him penny for no who say yes. You were sharpest a different you are moving young son in India. Now they are looking for these people to talk to Ghana. The cameras must see better. That's live. Na enchire nyame man na yugo mu according to a interview bi a concerning Pentecost penny oba stand for empanini o papa opoku nyina so I was not bothered enti sa wo nyame sofo na sa wo nye na wo jejo hu baba so ye sofo a e de etojo a awosira ne sa anasa sa kom ne sa na tuntwa hu too much
na asofo a omode omadwen ye ejuma no do you think say it is wrong because some say obua onyankopon a no nyankopon so aboa
untimi mu onyankopon
intino fake tenchene metimi atwe akra manyame
fine na wo ade na akwa ni fake no wa mo de kwotwe o maba erade kasa kire akritofo ankasa se enko hwehwe miracles na wo ne nsenche ni ba bedi wachi so be jimi edina so be sumi yi a Pentecost for nyom ensenche ni bedi wachi na wo de bia miracle na yenkofo we yenko san we ho yenfa we nsa fa we ko se nkwantana ko ye we any fake nyoma e wodo wo be ba too much
akwanchira nyame dia mo
enya akwanchira free nyame
prophet person do find out to can for you
on say too much e bi afri ho me de bia amaka buy our fruit you people shall know us say di pani ye sofo say oye difo so nya hwe ya Abraham be Moses ni prophet Ujabade agigarishi nyame ya adu mo kira the final day me de maka choma wani na ho ye betina too much so say ya ye try say be advice o say you nkonko ye victim Bible said you was nti the home le ka kira safo from yan twetwe nkomo 0249 631876 0249 631876 afa wo join any occultic man of God be very careful and be warned the nam kwan mu ba no wan hwe a one more shiasia you go down manuato
odifo
too much
we da seme to safo no ba
me ju so aminu
ebusia many Prophet Bernard Esiam ene di enkomoyi mesresa won so de wadwen kire ebeto abonten bebe na edi matem ka kire me say interview on me ya eso nimfa so ene ho koniba but we ejuma ye adibia trendy ankofo enyanti ase wo hono ya sede se ye di hu komo se ne ahwefo benya entiase ye ewo so munya ebia na opinion na obi share no ompa you can also come to the studio and also let us know your opinion about it but say bia obedi atem de emboa me so say subscribe my page we ni mi adoma no so se na ye upload ya so na mo se betumi aka makra